Hi everyone, this is Sumit here and welcome to my channel Excel with Sumit. In this video I'll explain a different chart in Excel which is called tree map. In Excel, a tree map chart helps you to visualize large amounts of data by showing values as rectangles. These rectangles are grouped by categories and subcategories like region and country, and the size of each box is based on a numeric value like sales. It's perfect when you want to see how different parts contribute to the whole. So let's go ahead and explain how to get this chart in Excel. Suppose you have a raw data where you have three columns which has region, country and total sales. Now you want to insert a tree map within Excel. So to do that, you have to select the entire raw data for which you want to insert the tree map. And after that, go to insert option here. And here when you hover around, you see here an option called insert hierarchy chart. Just click here and here you get an option of tree map. Just click this. As soon as you click this, you see that you have got a tree map inserted in the Excel file. Now let's modify this in a different format. For that, first let's move this towards the down. And then if you want to just move the chart size, automatically Excel will convert the chart into the required format. Now let's modify the chart with a larger size and see if we have other chart design. So to see the other chart design, go to the chart design contextual menu and then click a drop down button here. And here when you hover around the menu, you see that you have got different layout of the chart. So suppose we select this chart. So now here you see that you have different region here and also you have different country within the region. Now let's add the value of the sales here. To do that, select these values here, right click and go to format data labels. Here you see that only category name is selected. So now you can check this box which has value written here. And instantly you see that you have got the sales highlighted for this region. Now let's further modify this chart. We'll close this format data labels. Let's click one of the rectangle box here and then right click here. You get a here option format data series. Click this and here you see you have option of none, overlapping and banner. Let's click banner here. You see that instantly you have got the region highlighted at the top of the column. What it means is that in North America, for example, USA has the highest contribution of the sales. So here the size of the rectangle corresponds to the size of the sales here. Similarly, if you go to Europe, we see that Germany has the highest sale. In Asia, China has the highest sales. The size of each box corresponds to the size of the numeric value. Now suppose if you want to further change the layout, you can click this chart design here and then you see you have got the required chart design. Now we'll close this dialog box and now here if you want to change this title, you just need to click here and select tree map and then you can change the chart title. Further, if you want to remove this legend here, click this legend and then press delete button. You see that the legend disappeared and the size of every rectangle have increased here. You can also change the color of the chart by going to chart design and then going to change colors. Here you get many options, like if you hover around between different options, the chart will automatically color with the color you have selected here. And if you hover around, you have got many more options. Suppose if you click this option, then you have got the color based on the selection you made here. In this way, you can insert tree map, which is very helpful and which can help you to visualize the data in a very easier format and a very readable format.